welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And today's video is about a secret that I have kept from you guys. It's been a while now since I came back to my channel, and I'm here to tell you what the secret is. But first of all, I just want to thank you guys so much for your continuous support. Thank you for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and I just hope and pray that you guys stay with me as I grow. And you know, if you guys have any suggestion, go ahead and leave the comment down below. And without further ado, what is the secret that I've been hiding from you guys? Well, I am pregnant. Yes, I am pregnant. I've been pregnant for a while, but I decided to, keep it on a down low because, I was just scared for the unexpected. So I am in my second trimester now. I'm just happy. And I'm happy to share with you guys, and it's like a big old burden. Woof, I can wipe my forehead now that you guys know now. And you guys will definitely see a lot of tutorials about the baby. It's baby G, by the way. No name selected yet. Well, there is a name selected, but we're keeping it a secret. Yes, till the due date. But yeah, so I'm just so excited for this new journey, and I can't wait to share the rest of the journey with you guys. And if you're watching this video and you've been through this journey, you're a mother, I will welcome some suggestion of what to expect along the way. So far everything's been okay. Few loss of appetite and stuff, but I have to say that I'm very fortunate compared to some people. Some people have it really, really bad, especially the beginning. So for me, mine was not as bad. So yeah, let me show you the baby bun. So I'm pretty big. That is baby G in there, yo. Yeah, I'm having a baby. I'm having a baby. I'm having a baby. So yeah, I've been sitting on this for a very long time, and I'm just glad to share it with you guys. And I look forward to making more videos relating to birthing, pregnancy, basically anything that will be of interest to me. And I can't wait to share the journey with you guys. Now that you know my big secret, now you can see the reason behind the expansion of the nose. It's crazy. Before I got pregnant, I always used to say, if I ever get pregnant, I hope and pray that my nose does not spread. That's the only thing on my body I don't want to spread. But sadly, it's spreading. I just hope it doesn't cover my entire face. And I hope it goes back. But yeah, so far I'm just enjoying being pregnant. I'm enjoying the moment, the changes of my body, the feel of the baby kicking. It amazes me. It's just amazing. So I'm really and truly enjoying this whole process, and yeah, I just can't wait to share with the rest of the journey with you guys. And again, if you're watching this video and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and help me grow. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.